Okay, this time we're going to open the poem box. We're going to create a pattern of circles that stick out from the object 0.10 inches, okay, on the front. So we're going to go to the side that has all 4 or 5 of the holes, okay, and we're going to go ahead and sketch. We're just going to sketch one of these because remember we're using rectangular patterns, so we only want to make one. Okay, so we're not going to do holes on this one. We're actually going to do circles. We're going to hit Start Sketch. We're going to go to this face. Okay, we're going to create a circle right here, about above this. We don't really necessarily care where it's placed yet. We just know that we're going to size it in just a second. Okay. It says the circle is 0.5 or is 0.15 diameter, so we're going to select the thing and type in 1.15. We're going to hit enter. Looks kind of tiny. Okay. Then what we're going to do is before we get to the extrusion is we're going to go up here to dimension and we're going to click dimension, select the in the side of the circle, and then select the top line, move our bar out, click, and we're going to type in 1.25, hit enter. Okay. Now we don't necessarily know where the side is, but let's just go ahead and try to guess if it's pretty close. So we're going to say it says 0.268. I think on the paper is about 0.25. So we're going to click 0.25. Okay. Moves it over just a tad. Then we're going to go ahead and finish sketch. And then we're going to click extrude, and we're going to extrude it 0.1. So we're going to select the 1 inch, delete 0.1, and we're going to hit OK. Now, this one's a little bit more complicated because if you're having 4 rows this way and 3 rows down. So I'm going to show you how to do this one. You're going to go click on rectangular. Again, same thing with the last time we did features. So we're going to select this one little bar sticking out. Click it. Direction 1, we're going to select the bottom line. And there's our 1. So we don't want to flip it this time. We want to keep it right there. Okay. And instead of 2, we know that going this direction, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to change this number to 4. Okay. Now it's way too far off the side. It goes way off our picture. So we're going to go over here to where it, the spacing, and we're going to click it, and we're going to put, let's say about 0.25. Let's see what that is. Not close enough. Let's do 0.5. That looks pretty even to me. Okay. Across my board. So we're going to leave it 0.25. Then we're going to select, on this time, we're actually going to add another direction because we wanted to go both ways. So we're going to click direction 2, we're going to click the arrow, and we're going to select the outside line on the right, click. Now it did it to the wrong side, so we're going to flip it. Now, once again, it's way too far off. So we're going to do 0.5, still too far, okay? We need to change this because instead of 2, it actually has 3 on the column. So we're going to change this to 3. Okay, still too far. So let's try 0.25. To me, that looks pretty good. I think in our spacing is actually 0.25, which is right. And then we're going to click OK, and boom, there it is.